Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday episode, we're excited to tell you about the return of our digital marketing bootcamp, Digital Marketing Live. If you've been on the wait list, registration is now open.
That's right, Donna. We try to bring you information that will be of value to you every week. But that said, we know it can still be overwhelming, and you might want to get some help creating a marketing plan that gets results.
We're really excited about this. We're going to take you through the same process that we use with our clients to create a digital marketing plan and processes that grow their businesses and give their customers a better experience. Best of all, this process is maintainable and sustainable for you. It takes into account that you probably don't have a lot of time every week to spend on digital marketing. And you don't want to spend all your time sorting through what's relevant and what's working today. You have a business to run in your own field of expertise.
You may be trying things yourself without getting results, or maybe you've hired your cousin's daughter's boyfriend, Billy, just because he's good at social media. He's gone since they've broken up, but you weren't getting results anyway. When you execute without the right plan in place, it's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks.
Yes, Bob, separating execution from strategy is one of the keys to successful digital marketing. And that's why we've developed this 3-day event where you'll not only learn what you need to know, you'll work on and leave with a plan for your business. Taking some time to work on your business and not just in your business pays off in terms of saved time later, more revenue, and happier customers. Shouldn't you start the new year off right with a plan to grow your business?
Our event, Digital Marketing Live, is being held on October 28th, 29th, and 30th, and is a virtual live event. Now, if you haven't experienced something like this before, let me tell you a little bit of how it works. This isn't like a TV series you're going to binge watch. The sessions are highly interactive, and in addition to learning and creating your own plan, you'll have the chance to interact in small groups with other business owners facing similar challenges. We'll have some fun items and special guests planned too. You can get all the information on the event website, digitalmarketing.live. This is one of those new fancy domains that are now available instead of .com. The extension is .live. Type digitalmarketing.live in your browser. Check it out.
A good marketing plan saves you time and effort as well as growing your business. And even if you're like some of our clients whose current challenge is not more clients, but more employees, you should still attend. We include marketing for employees and how to get your team to incorporate things that will help your marketing while they're doing what they're already doing. So we invite you to join us at Digital Marketing Live and use this opportunity to take your marketing from chaos to clarity. And we can't wait to see you there.
That's it for today's episode, and we hope you'll join us on October 28th, 29th, and 30th. You can find a link to digitalmarketing.live and a transcript of today's podcast at delosinc.com/episode 254. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.